When we first began around 2010 driving with the platooning, we only drove with longitudinal control, and today we have a technique that allows us to even let go of the steering wheel and let the truck steer by itself.
I was driving as the third or the fourth truck, and it was a great experience. It was very relaxing, giving control to the system, being able to follow 4 vehicles in a platoon without having to do anything.
The intruding vehicle, it's as with today, we're driving with very close distances. We are about 10-12 meters between the vehicles, so it's very narrow for intruding vehicles to cut in.
Now I'm doing the cut-in, and I have a truck behind me with a distance of 2 meters. And now the gap between me and the truck behind should enlarge to roughly 10 meters. And then when I'm moving out again, the truck should accelerate a little, so the gap is 10 meters again. Now I'm doing a new cut-in, but everything is calm and it went out well.
What we also did was a brake test, so the lead vehicle initiates a full brake, and my vehicle at the same time reacted and braked down to a full stop. And the vehicle reacts faster than I would have done.
I would like to see pilot test on the road within 3 years' time.